Okay, now we need to find the value of x here, right? Now they tell no ABCD is a square, right? And also it's a cyclic quadrilateral, no, right? So this is square. That means this all four sides must be equal, right? These are equal. Okay, I will mark here. This is equal. Then not only that, this must be 90, right? This angle must be 90, right? Okay. Now, uh, right, that's the square. Then this is the very important thing here. What the now we learn from same chord, same arc, AD arc, or you can think AD chord. This chord subtended angle at circumference here. Uh, Same chord, now AD and BA is different. This is another different. I mean two chord, no, this one and this one. Uh, Not the same chord, but same length, no. I mean AD equal to AB. So that's why this AD chord subtended angle at circumference, that means x must be equal to this way. What the BA mean same chord. I mean not the same chord but same length. AD equal to BA, no. So BA subtended angle at here. So that's why this angle must be x. This also must be x. Try to understand it. Normally we learn, from the same chord subtended angle equal. Now if you have this chord subtended angle somewhere in circumference, that those are equal. But here AD subtended angle at circumference x, same way AD equal to this BA or AB, you can think that chord subtended angle at circumference here. So that's why this also must be x. First of all, you should understand that. Okay, then after think now ABED, right? ABED also cyclic quadrilateral, right? BEDAB, right? Like this way, this is cyclic quadrilateral. So that's why we know in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle supplementary. That means this angle, this one, okay, I will mark like this way also. This angle add to this angle must be equal to 180, right? In a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle add up to 180. So you can use that theorem to find x. But this is 90. This two also must be 90 then, right? To become this two add up to 180. That's the thing. This also 90 actually. This BED angle 90, right? This should be 90. That's the idea here. So I can write what the yeah, you can write even x plus x equal 90, or you can write like this about the 90 plus x equal 180. You can write the reason if they ask whether in a cyclic quadrilateral opposite angle add up to 180. That's the reason, this plus this. So then here whether here 2x, I will bring 90 here, subtract from 180, that means 90. So both sides divide by 2, your x value will be 45 degrees. That's the answer for x. Try to understand, it's not big deal, right? But something different here because not the same code they use here.